What's up, Virgo? Welcome to my channel. I hope all is well with you, Virgo. Happy birthday to all the Virgos out there. Virgo, I hope that you have a wonderful, blessed, and prosperous birthday season. You do not have to be a Virgo for this message to resonate. And also, this message is not going to be for every Virgo, so please don't force it to fit. And please remember to take the message over the zodiac signs. If you would like a personal message, my information is in the description box down below. Let's hop into it for Virgo. Holy Spirit, holy angels, holy ancestors, I pray and ask that you block out any interferences from the evil one. In Jesus' holy, precious, and mighty name, it shall be done. Messages for Virgo. For Virgo, please and thank you. Okay, whoa. Well, all right, Virgo. They actually want me to still take these. The number 3 could be significant. Uniting, coming together. Okay. This could be family coming together. You could be dealing with the Taurus. You could have Taurus in your chart. I feel like you're being spiritually guided to work with someone or someone you. Yeah. Someone doesn't want a cycle to be over. Someone could be getting some sort of bad karma. It's like you're being guided to work with someone and someone is trying to change that, or they want something to change for the worse. A new beginning. Yeah, this is a beautiful new beginning here that is coming together. Something is coming together beautifully. And it's like someone is trying to change it for the worse. Yeah. Someone is trying to cause chaos around a new beginning that you have or someone have. Yeah. Yeah. Someone is trying to cause chaos around a partnership. Yeah. It's like someone is trying to block something from working out. Someone is trying to stop something from coming together. Something is coming together beautifully. And it's like someone else is causing chaos. They want things to change for the worse. Somebody is going to get some bad karma. It's almost like God is bringing something together. And when God opens the door, no man can close it. And when God closes the door, no man can open it. I feel like you are being brought together with someone, or there's a group of people that is being brought together. It's like if someone doesn't want something to change, something is supposed to be changing for the better. It's some sort of cycle that is supposed to be over. Someone is getting some bad karma. It's like someone is causing chaos in a situation that is meant to be beautiful here. Yeah. It's like someone is causing chaos to block you, but you keep overcoming whatever obstacles they're putting in place. Someone is definitely getting some karma here, okay? For whatever decisions that they are making. Yeah, someone is trying to stop something from changing. Someone does not want something to change in a good way, but it is. God says some sort of cycle is over. If someone was trying to cause you some sort of hurt or pain, cause you a loss, cause you to be worried, put you in a place of sorrow, that is over. Someone likes doing this to you. This is like some sort of family or group coming together. It's like making things right this time, doing things the right way. and someone is trying to cause chaos around it. It's like they don't want something to change. They don't want things to work out good for you, but it is going to here, whether they like it or not. This is a beautiful new beginning that is coming together. You guys are going to overcome obstacles together. You're going to move forward. Someone is trying to block your forward movement. It's like they want to cause chaos. Could be around your work or whatever is coming together for you. What's the message for Virgo? Yeah, I feel like someone is upset. Someone could have gotten the authorities involved in the situation. But it's like whatever changes they was expecting to change for you, it's almost like it's backfiring. Someone wanted something to change in a bad way. This is like someone coming together with you. You're expecting things to be better this time. You're expecting a beautiful new beginning. Butterflies about changes. You're expecting things to change. I do feel like they are, but it's someone here who it's like this is the impression they want you to have, but it's to cause chaos. That's what it is, to cause chaos. This is in the middle of the spread. To cause blockages, to stop your forward movement, to stop your success. But it's not going to change the way someone wants. Someone could be changing their mind about a car. Yeah. Whoever this new beginning is, this person is official. This is an official person. This is someone who would stand up. This is someone who does things the right way. Whether this is an actual authority figure or this is someone who is official. They do things the right way. It's like someone is not paying attention to what someone is trying to do. It's almost like they don't care. It's like whatever someone is doing behind this person's back. I don't know if someone is trying to do something to your car or it's like somebody wants to give you a hard time. Main female. This is the main person in your life. This could be a Pisces or someone that has Pisces in their chart, or this is the fact that you know what someone is doing. Yeah. It's like this is someone you look up to. It's like this person comes across like they want things to change in a good way, but they really don't. It's like they want things to be upside down for you. Or someone else. Take it how it fits. Or Virgo. Yeah. This person wants to cause you some sort of loss. They want to give you a hard time. It's like, this is like someone who says, oh, I'll help you. I'll help you on Tuesday. And then Tuesday comes and you're like, can you still help me? And they're like, oh, I changed my mind. Oh, I can't do it anymore. This is someone, and they do it purposely to cause you some sort of lack or something. Yeah. Somebody wants you to work hard for nothing. Yeah. Someone wants to be above you or something like that. Someone wants some sort of control that they don't have. It's like someone trying to block a beautiful new beginning that is coming together for you, whether this person likes it or not. The heavens is bringing this together. Yeah, this person got the message. They're concerned. Yeah, could be about court. know, this older woman expecting some sort of message, expecting you to be in bad health at home or sick about a home. But it's like you always suddenly get blessed. It's like, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Someone thought they would be working with you. It's like you're moving forward. This person doesn't do nothing but cause trouble, give you a hard time, and it's like you're moving forward. This person loves to hear any bad news you have, but then it's like you suddenly get good news. And it's almost like, ugh, wow. Yeah. It's like you get some sort of unexpected money. Yeah, it's like someone wants you to feel like you're working for nothing, or this is what they say about you. But I feel like you're doing what you're guided to do. Yeah, and you actually not working for nothing. Somebody got some sort of message of concern here, okay? I don't know if someone is paying a lot of money to a lawyer or to this older man, or this older man is losing a lot of money. Child, there's definitely a new beginning here. Yeah, imprisonment. Someone's new beginning is jail, okay? Marriage contract. Someone could be newly married and may feel stuck in this marriage. Someone is married to someone who is childish as fuck. Yeah, someone is in despair. Somebody is losing their job. Someone is losing a lot of money. Yeah, someone wants to come together with someone else that actually has respect for them or values whatever relationship they have. Yeah, something about a home is significant here. I don't know. Someone is definitely working against you. Someone is definitely working against you here. What's the message for Virgo, Holy Spirit? Please and thank you. Yeah, someone is trying to stop things from changing in your favor. I feel like this is what someone does. This is a cycle. It's like someone only comes together with you to cause you some sort of sorrow, hurt, and pain. Someone wants you to lose your job, lose your success, but I feel like you're just getting started. You're going to be very abundant and successful. You're going to be recognized for your hard work. Someone wants, I don't know if someone is saying you're working for nothing or something, but whatever this person is trying to, it's like this person keeps, I don't know, this is a cycle. It's like you come together with someone and then they dog you or something behind your back, but it's over. It's over. This cycle is over. This cycle is over for Virgo. If you have a yes or no question, so this is not for everybody. This is for those of you that have a yes or no question for Virgo, Holy Spirit. Yes. If you're wondering if someone was holding on to something of yours, yes. If you were wondering if someone has some deep-rooted issues, yes. Someone is very controlling here. Yeah, and they're trying to control a new beginning that is being gifted to you. Yeah, you're the Empress. You're going to get what you want. Yeah, and I feel like you're making a decision to block this person, even if it hurts. You got the message. You know somebody is watching you to cause you stress. Somebody is talking to you to cause you stress, and they thought they would hide this from you. But you know that your hard work is going to pay off. And I definitely feel like there are other people who want to work together with you. Yeah, and someone is doing something behind the scenes. Could be in court. Someone is hateful. Someone is hateful. Someone hates that you know the truth about them. Most likely outcome for Virgo. Most likely outcome for Virgo. I don't know. Either there's yeah, someone comes across to be official, but I feel like they're childish as hell. Yeah. Someone may try to cause some sort of arguments to distract you, to block you. So beware of that. Yeah, someone is angry. And it's like they want to take their anger out on you. It's like because you're secure. You're getting a new beginning, whether they like it or not. Yeah, you meant to shine. You're a star. Or you're meant to be a star. You're meant to be very successful. You could have a large following. You could be a leader. It's like you stand out. You stand out from the rest, Virgo. Someone is angry. Someone is so negative. It's like they're obsessed with causing drama. It's like because you're creative, you're creating a new beginning that is secure. They're angry about your new beginning, most likely outcome. So beware of somebody causing drama, trying to cause arguments. This person comes across as if they're official, as if they want to come together with you, but it's just to make you lose. Yeah, I feel like you're very strong, very courageous. You're in good health. Yeah, this could be a Leo or a Capricorn here that may be arguing or either trying to distract you or cause some sort of drama. Yeah, someone is trying to deceive you. Somebody wants you to lose control. It's like someone trying to egg you on. Somebody wants you to argue. Someone wants you to act out of character. But I feel like you know it, and that's exactly why you're going to be leaving them alone. That's exactly why, you're freeing yourself. It's like, I'm going to be happy with or without you. You're freeing yourself from this person, and you're going to be happy you did. Yup. This person is deceptive. They want to confuse people about you. They want you to act out of character so they can talk about you. But you're being protected. You're being protected. Yeah. It's like someone needs you to act out of character so then they can have things to say about your success, about the good things you're doing. This person's time is up. Their time is up. Their time is up. You're completing this cycle. You're completing this cycle. Some of you have a new relationship. Some of you, this is a love situation. And you're done with this person deceiving you, confusing you. You're done. If this is a relationship, you're starting a new one. Yeah. And this new relationship that you are starting or have started is going to be prosperous. Yeah. It's going to be prosperous. I feel like you're making the right decision. Whatever this is, someone is angry and negative and greedy. Yeah, someone is greedy. Someone is greedy. Definitely. For Virgo. For Virgo, Holy Spirit. Okay. This could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. So some of you may have started a new relationship, and this is a good one. This is a good one. Yeah, it's time to take back control of your life. You're freeing yourself from some sort of ongoing cycle. Yep. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Yes, this is your soulmate. OMG, Virgo, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I feel like you freed yourself from some sort of ongoing cycle. Definitely. Whether this is love, this could be someone you have a family with, someone you have children with. This could be a family member. But, yeah. I feel like you know this person all too well. It's like you see what something is, and you're freeing yourself. You're listening to your intuition. You should. I feel like your intuition is very strong. Okay? Your intuition is very strong. I feel like you're right on point about a situation. It's like this person is a blockage. They want the worst for you. And you freeing yourself from this situation brings in your abundance. For Virgo. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Yeah. I feel like you're going to control your anger. You know someone is trying to get you to act out of character. Yeah. Waiting for news, package, or a letter. Yeah. Someone wants you to act out of character. Doesn't seem like it's working. Or this is a warning for you. I feel like you know this, and this is why you're holding back. Or this is someone else. Again, you don't have to be, even if you're a Virgo, this message may or may not be for you. Or Virgo. You got E, Scorpio, V, N, V, and L. Yeah. Something is over. Something is over. It may be emotional. Someone may have gotten the message that this situation is over. Yeah. It's like you're not doing this anymore with this person. The cycle is over. You are ending some sort of cycle. It's like you always come together with this person, expecting things to work out, expecting things to be beautiful, only for this person to try to get you to act out of character. Who's next? Who's next, Holy Spirit? Who's next, Holy Spirit? Please and thank you. We have Scorpio. So Scorpio is next. I'm going to pull these two. Let's get one of these for Virgo. Yeah, this is like somebody trying to push your buttons, basically. And then it's like, no, that's not what I was trying to do. I really want things to come together. This person is so angry because you're blocking them. They don't get a chance to get you to act out of character. It's like they want to show people that, oh, you're not who they think you are. Yeah. Have you eaten? You're acting like a big ass baby. You need food in your belly? Eat a fucking taco. You need a good fucking cry? Get the ugly cry on. Let that shit go. Your soul will thank you. Yeah, I feel like you're letting something go, even if it hurts. Even if it hurts. Yeah, you're the shit. Don't forget it. Yeah, you ain't got time to put up with this bullshit, Virgo. And I feel like you not. You the shit, whether somebody likes it or not. Don't forget it. Somebody wants you to feel less than. No the fuck you not, and no the fuck you don't. And you need to hold back from anybody trying to make you feel some type of way about you. You the shit. Whether this person likes it or not, whether this family member likes it or not, it doesn't matter. I feel like you official as fuck, Virgo. That's what I have. Hope you found the message helpful. Until next time, God bless you.